Hi everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a share for you. I made all of these goodies as a birthday present for a friend of mine, and I hope she likes them. The first thing I made were these napkin ring holders. This is the Doodlebug Down the Farm collection. Pretty much all the papers you're going to see are from that collection, except for the cardstock, which is from my own stash. So I made her 4 of these. If you would like to buy some of these blank napkin rings, leave me a comment or an email and I will tell you how much those are. I'm also thinking about offering those in like kits, but I haven't decided yet. The next one is an acrylic bookmark. Is this just not the best idea ever? I've never seen anything like it. And super easy to make, super easy to put together. And let's see if we can do this. It just sits on top of your book, kind of like it sits on top of this piece of paper. So there's that. The next are a set of 4 coasters. These all say Live Joyfully. And they have some teal pattern paper, some of the Doodlebug paper, some more just yellow cardstock, and then a circle that has a Live Joyfully. I just took some ribbon and tied it around the front. Next is another altered Post-it note holder. Here's the Post-it notes. She can easily untie this and use the Post-it notes. It actually has a Velcro closer down here. These little felt flowers are from Hobby Lobby. These were part of their spring collection, and I bought them when they were 40 or 50% off. I'm sorry, I don't remember which. I think they were actually 50. And then this one says, enjoy every little moment. So there's that one. And then I made an acrylic paperweight. By the way, if you're interested in coasters, same thing, let me know and I can give you a price of the coasters blank or coasters as a kit. This one is another Live Joyfully. I took the paper and wrapped it around the paperweight, stamped the image, and this is where there are no mistakes in stamping, only embellishment opportunities. I dragged my hand through ink. And you can't see it because I put this cute little flower there, but it's right over here, so I just hid it. So, same thing with the acrylic paperweights. I have a fairly good source for these. They are not cheap, to say the least, but if you are interested in some, please, once again, just contact me and I'll give you a price for those. Okay, this is actually a round luggage tag, and what I did so that my girlfriend can attach it to her bag is after I put the ribbon in, I should have really put the rubber band on first, but I put a rubber band on there, so all they have to do is just tie this rubber band around the luggage and she'll be good to go. It just has her name. However, if you have friends who travel a lot, you may want to consider completely personalizing it. And last, but by no means least, is the stationery box. And before I open this, I do want to let you know that pictures will follow this video so that you can enjoy those. Here are those felt flowers again. This is a stationery box. You pull the lid off and it kind of is like an explosion box in the way that it opens. So over here we have some stamps in this little pouch. Let's see if we can angle this a little bit better. So there are the stamps in this little pouch. And looks like I'm going to have to re-tack that down. That's no big deal. Live Joyfully and the Post-it notes. I just took a little piece of paper and kind of squirted every 1/4 inch until I got it big enough for my pen to slip in. This is one of those little mini pens. I bought mine online a long time ago. I know you can get them at Walmart and Target and, you know, your other big box stores. So in the back are some 3x3 note cards. There's that one and that one. And of course envelopes to go with those. And then a few tags that she can use for whatever purpose. This would be really fun to make into a recipe box as well for, you know, your foodie friends. So I'll show you at least one of the cards. The rest you'll see the pictures at the end, but here's one. It's just a simple get well. This stamp and stamp set is from Pink and Bean. So and I don't know if you can kind of see in the back of the box, but all the envelopes are in the back and all the cards are towards the front. And I think that this is going to make a really great gift for her, and I hope she will enjoy it. I also hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to make the box, let me know and I will do that. Stay happy and be a blessing. I will talk to you all soon. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos on your social media. I'm getting very close to 2,000. Last check I have 1,979 subscribers. So thank you all so much, and I look forward to seeing you soon. I will talk to you later. Bye!